10 cool facts about ants. They may be small, but boy are these little critters powerful. Check out our 10 favorite facts about ants that are guaranteed to blow your mind. Welcome to the Charge Your Mind channel, and before we start, please, guys, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates. Hello, curious minds. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the tiny but mighty world of ants? Prepare to be amazed as we dig into some incredible facts about these industrious insects. Ants may seem small, but don't let their size fool you. These tiny creatures are some of the most fascinating and hardworking insects on the planet. From their impressive teamwork to their complex societies, ants have captured the imagination of scientists and nature lovers alike for centuries. Join us as we delve into the secret lives of ants, uncovering amazing secrets that will make you see these miniature marvels in a whole new light. From their remarkable communication skills to their extraordinary strength, there's so much to discover about these incredible insects. So grab your magnifying glass and let's get ready. 1. There are over 12,000 ant species worldwide, ranging from the ant you might find scuttling across your picnic to the ants building underground fortresses in the rainforest, to flying ants. 2. The bullet ant is said to have the most painful sting in the world. Living in humid jungle conditions such as the Amazon, their sting has been compared to being hit by a bullet. Ouch. 3. Fire ants cause over 3 billion pounds worth of damage a year. North America's red imported fire ant might only be little, but the tiny critters have a painful bite, which causes a burning sensation, hence the name, fire ant, which costs the US millions in veterinary and medical bills every year. They've also been known to cause damage to farmers' crops. 4. Ants are the longest living insects. Unlike some bugs who might only live for days or even hours, the queen ant of one particular species, the Pogonomyrmexa, can live up to 30 years, so be careful not to stand on her. 5. The ant is one of the world's strongest creatures in relation to its size. A single ant can carry 50 times its own body weight, and they'll even work together to move bigger objects as a group. 6. Ants hold the record for the fastest movement in the animal kingdom. The aptly named species of trap-jaw ant can close its jaws at 140 miles per hour, which it uses to kill its prey or injure predators. Image if that bit you on the bum. 7. Ants can be found on every single continent except Antarctica. Ironic really, when you consider the name. 8. Ants are social insects which live in colonies. The colony, also called a formicary, is made up of one or more egg-laying queens and a large amount of female, worker, ants who tend to her. Build and maintain the nest, forage for food and care for the young. Male ants have wings and their only function is to mate with the queen. 9. Ants don't have ears, and some of them don't have eyes. Ants listen by feeling vibrations from the ground through their feet, and eyeless ants such as the driver ant species can communicate by using their antennae. Plus, they can send chemical signals, called pheromones, released through their body to send messages to other ants. They send out warnings when danger's near, leave trails of pheromones leading to food sources and even use them to attract a mate, a sort of ant love potion. 10. The largest ant's nest ever found was over 3,700 miles wide. Found in Argentina in 2000, the ginormous colony housed 33 ant populations which had merged into one giant supercolony, with millions of nests and billions of workers. They have 2 stomachs. Ants have 2 stomachs, one personal and one social. Stomach functionality in ants extends beyond individual consumption and digestion. One fascinating aspect of stomach functionality in ants is their ability to engage in trophallaxis, which is the mutual exchange of food and liquids among colony members. During trophallaxis, ants regurgitate liquid food from their crop to feed nestmates, allowing for the efficient sharing of resources within the colony. In ant colonies, food sharing through trophallaxis serves several important functions. Trophallaxis facilitates the distribution of nutrients throughout the colony, ensuring that all members, including larvae, workers, and the queen, receive adequate nutrition. It also promotes social cohesion and communication within the colony. Through trophallaxis, ants exchange not only nutrients but also chemical signals known as pheromones, which play a crucial role in coordinating colony activities such as foraging, nest maintenance, and defense. Finally, it allows for the efficient recycling of nutrients within the colony. Ants can regurgitate and re-ingest food multiple times, extracting as much nutrition as possible from available food sources. They do not have ears. Ants have the incredible ability to hear ground vibrations, even though they have no ears. They do this with the use of specialized sensory structures known as subguinal organs. Subguinal organs are sensory structures located in the legs of ants, specifically in the middle and hind legs. These organs consist of specialized sensory receptors that are sensitive to vibrations transmitted through the ground. When vibrations occur, the subguinal organs detect the changes in pressure and send this information to the ant's nervous system, allowing it to perceive and respond to its environment. Ants can detect ground vibrations caused by various sources, including the movement of other ants, predators, or even environmental disturbances such as wind or rain. These vibrations carry important information about the ants' surroundings and play a crucial role in their communication, navigation, and detection of potential threats. In addition to subguinal organs, ants also utilize other sensory structures, such as body hair and antennae, to feel vibrations. Fine hairs covering an ant's body, particularly on its legs and antennae, can detect subtle changes in air movement and ground vibrations. They are underwater survivalists. Ants have the ability to open and close their spherical openings, essentially giving them the ability to hold their breath. Our tiny bodies are so effective at conserving oxygen that most ants can survive being submerged underwater for 24 hours. The warmer the water is, the better the ant becomes at surviving, as higher weight. Our temperatures make it easier for them to obtain oxygen from the surrounding liquid. Ants are so resilient in water that they can survive temperatures of up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Some ant species have the ability to swim, due to elongated legs or similar qualities. Other ant species have a much more cooperative gift, the remarkable ability to form floating rafts using their own bodies. When their nest or habitat becomes submerged in water, ants will instinctively gather together and link their bodies to form a buoyant structure. The ants interlock their legs and bodies, creating a stable platform that floats on the water's surface. The ants at the bottom of the raft are often tightly packed and act as anchors, while those on the sides maintain the structure and provide buoyancy. That's not the only clever construction ants can create. Some species interlock their individual members together to make living bridges that allow for movement and foraging across gaps or streams. They leave invisible trails everywhere they go. Pheromones are chemical substances created by animals, including insects, to communicate with others of the same species. These chemicals are often used to convey information about food sources, mating opportunities, alarm signals, and trail marking, among many other things. Pheromones are detected by other individuals of the species through sensory organs such as antennae or other specialized receptors. In ant communities, pheromones play a crucial role in organizing and coordinating various activities, maintaining social cohesion, and regulating behavior. They will use pheromone trails to lead other ants to food sources, as well as mark the territory of rival colonies. Pheromones are also used to designate the social status of ants within their own individual colonies. They outlived the dinosaurs. It's hard to believe, but ants first appeared during the Jurassic period, around 100 to 140 million years ago. That means that they lived alongside the dinosaurs. Fossil evidence suggests that these ants were even smaller than the ones we know today, and had simplified biology and colony behaviors compared to modern ants. Ants were among the lucky species to survive the asteroid impact at the end of the Cretaceous period 66 million years ago that wiped out non-avian dinosaurs. Queen ants can live up to 30 years. Some species of queen ants can live for 10 years or more, while others may have lifespans closer to several decades. Queen ants have the potential to live up to 30 years. The longevity of queen ants is often attributed to their larger size, robust physiology, and reduced exposure to environmental risks compared to worker ants. During their lifespan, queen ants go through distinct reproductive phases. After mating with male ants during a nuptial flight, the queen establishes a new colony and begins laying eggs. During the initial phase of colony founding, the queen's reproductive output may be relatively low. However, as the colony grows and matures, the queen's egg-laying rate typically increases, peaking during the colony's most productive phase. As queen ants age, their reproductive capacity may decline. Egg production may slow down, and the queen may produce fewer viable offspring. In some cases, older queen ants may be replaced by younger queens produced within the colony through a process known as supersedure. Supersedure ensures the continuity of the colony's reproductive function and genetic diversity. When a queen dies or becomes unable to fulfill her reproductive duties, the colony's survival may be jeopardized. In response, worker ants may attempt to rear new queens to replace the old one. Or the colony may decline and eventually perish if no suitable replacement is available. Queen ants play a crucial role in colony founding, growth, and maintenance, and their longevity is essential for the long-term success and sustainability of ant colonies. I had a lot of fun watching this wonderful video with you. I really hope you will please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates, and if you like the video, click and like. Thank you for watching.